In this video, I am going to teach you how to copy a plan in Microsoft Planner. So I have in here this particular plan called ABC Project Management. So I want to copy this. So what we can do is we can head over right here to this My Plans option, and you can see in here your plan. Once you hover to this, you can see a pin option as well as three dots option. Click onto those three dots, and in here, as you can see, we can pin this plan, open it, and the likes. As you can see, when you click onto the three dots, it doesn't have the option for the copy plan, but it have a copy link to the plan. What we can do is we can open it here again, and then you can just expand the name, and you can export this plan to Excel. So that is one way to go around it. You can also copy the link to this particular plan or add this plan to your Outlook calendar. You can also click onto this plan details and you can see this general page. You have the option to delete this plan if you want to as well. You can also choose its background that it will have. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.